going on, YouTube? Hey, so this is how it's going today. Check this out. You feel like doing anything today?
A little bit. Like,
I ain't gonna lie, I don't.
like, alright.
Seriously, like, I don't.
I don't know. I'm feeling a little bit active today, but that's because I haven't been doing much, and it's like 12:30 right now.
So honestly, we make me do shit.
I'm not gonna make you do shit. Like I could do said shit myself.
So I can sit down and watch you.
Yeah.
All right, we can do that then. Let me go open up this door. Get stuff done. It's been a great morning. Not gonna tell you what I did this morning, but I had a great morning. It was excellent. Like, I just want to go to sleep right now. But crack this door open so he can go do stead stuff. You know. We got a car and a truck waiting here, so looks like we might actually have to do stuff today. In the dark. Dark. We'll need some automatic lights in this mode. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, let me go get these brakes that I just picked up for the G35. So let me go on the other side. So I was gonna go pick up the brakes out of the truck that I just got for him to put on, but he got them right there. That's how. Tell you, tired. We're gonna replace the brakes in all four corners. But get the tripod. Let's set this up. Unless did we leave the tripod at home?
Yeah, we left the tripod.
Yeah, so we don't feel like doing nothing today.
We left the tripod at home, but I brought the camera.
He got the camera. I got my phone, but no tripod. So since I didn't feel like doing nothing today, and he said he was gonna do what I was gonna do. We're gonna see how long it takes him to do these brakes. No hyperlapse. Let's see how this goes.
You're not gonna watch all that, right?
Why not?
I've never done this before.
Okay, so this should be a motivation to not take too long. Just saying though. Tell you what, I help you out and pause it when you're not doing anything. How about that?
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna be the commentator today, since he's working, and what he's doing is trying to put the brake pads into the bracket for the caliper. I don't know the said scientific or mechanical name for that, but
You have things to do today.
like what? Sleep? This is my lazy weekend.
It just feels so.
All right, there you go.
Okay.
Walk it over here. Oop, shaking in my book.
Where it goes.
So if you look on the back of where you put the rotor, if you didn't know what that was called, you're gonna see those two bolt holes. Bolt. That sounded wrong just now.
Yeah.
See these two big bolts? Oh, right off right here. You're not all the way on. Okay. What was the first one at? Right here?
Yeah.
Is it lined up?
Like that. No. There it is.
Right here?
Yeah.
Someone's not working. Oh! Whoa, wrong one. He got it right on his mind. Wow. What size do you think that is? Okay. Now, these need to fit in between this and that.
There's no way in hell.
Yes, it will. Hold that. Let me show you something. Okay. That one good? Oh, hold on. That's it?
Yeah.
All right. Top one. All right, this should be a 15 or 14.
14?
Nice 16. Yeah. All right, so there you have it. Hold on. I don't think they can see either of us. But hey, as you can see, We cleaned up the caliper bracket with a wire brush. Put some of that brake quiet grease, that thick stuff on the back of the pads. We didn't show you. Put them in the car. So, rotor, caliper bracket, caliper. All right. So I just showed him how to do his first brake job. So since I said I was doing nothing, I'm gonna have him do the rest. You got 2 thumbs up for this one. You got it? All right. I'm gonna tighten these up.
And you can find the rest of everything else.
You can do the rest of them. All right, so from here on out, you're gonna see him do it hyperlapse. That's it. Hey, you ready to go hyperlapse?
Yeah.
You sure? All right. I showed y'all what he did with the brakes. I helped him out a little bit. Doc and Carlos over there putting a small block 350 with the blue Camaro together. And we're gonna close the video out here, but Jeremiah been trying to teach me something. We're gonna see how well I learned. And then we're gonna close this video out. All right, so come on over here, man. You gotta tell me when. Y'all don't laugh. Don't laugh.
All right. So, well, it's really whenever you want to do it.
Well, you do one first, and I'll follow.
It's not confusing. It's 1, 2.
1, 2, and you wait and go.
No, it's not this. Like
It's
you,
that.
like if you wanted to. Boom, like that's cool too. That's cool too. But boom,
and you gotta wait,
and then
you open up,
and then you cross it. Yeah. Boom.
That's too much, man. I can't.
It's not too much.
I'll see y'all later.